Question 11f. A bag contains 5 green beads and 7 purple beads. 2 beads are selected at random without replacement. What is the probability that the 2 beads are the same color? This probability experiment has 4 outcomes: green green, green purple, purple green, or purple purple. Now we want to find the probability that the 2 beads drawn are the same color, so we're interested in green green or purple purple. Now this is selection without replacement. In the first draw, there are 12 beads to choose from, and in the second draw, there are 11 beads to choose from. So the probability of green green or purple purple is equal to 5 over 12, since there are 5 green beads to choose from initially, out of a total of 12. And assuming that the first bead chosen is green, then there are 4 green beads left to choose from 11 beads left. So it's 5 over 12 multiplied by 4 over 11. And the probability of purple purple is 7 over 12, since there are 7 purple beads initially to choose from out of a total of 12, multiplied by 6 purple beads out of a total of 11 in the second draw. So 5 over 12 multiplied by 4 over 11 plus 7 over 12 multiplied by 6 over 11 is equal to 31 over 66.